Basil in a bucket, Kratky style. This is 1.5 gallon bucket I had laying around. All we're gonna do is put a hole in the top using a 1 3/4 inch hole saw. If you don't have a hole saw, you can use a knife to cut a hole or a razor blade. Folks, this doesn't have to be perfect. It'll work just fine. It doesn't matter what the hole looks like. As long as you nurture the plant, it'll grow. And the coffee Keurig cartridge fits perfect in a 1 3/4 inch hole. Keep in mind, folks, you can use any type of empty container you got lying around your house. Now let's mix up some nutrients. We're gonna go 1/3 strength with Master Blend. Okay, I filled this bucket up with tap water and let it sit for 24 hours. And this is how I've been doing it with amazing results. All we're gonna do is add 3/4 of a teaspoon of Master Blend, mix to completely dissolved, then add a 1/2 teaspoon of magnesium sulfate, mix to completely dissolved, then the calcium nitrate, 3/4 of a teaspoon, mix to completely dissolved. Now for the pH. After adding my nutrients, it's sitting about 6.9 and I need to get it to 6.5 for the basil. So we're gonna add some pH down to get it to our target pH. And now that we reached our target pH of 6.5, we can go ahead and fill up our little Kratky bucket. Make sure to fill it to about 1.5 inches from the top so your net cup can touch the water, so the roots can get the nutrients they need. So now let's transplant our little basil plant into our net cup and into the bucket. Now I started these basil from seed, but you can go ahead and get it at your local hardware store as a seedling and transplant it into your net cup. It's really up to you. Now all we're gonna do is sit back and watch them grow. You can also set it in a sunny window and it'll do just fine. Okay folks, this is 2 weeks later. It's beautiful and it smells awesome. Let's check out the roots, see how they're doing. Oh, they sucked up about 1 1.5 inches of water and they're doing good. So make sure you catch episode 2 of Basil in the Bucket. Thanks for watching.